Hello, and welcome to my tutorial, An Introduction to WordPress, and how to create a website and configure it. I will be giving you a cursory glance of the dashboard and how to create the menus as well as pages and blog post, and a cursory glance at the Gutenberg block editor. Period. I created a sample website. It's in generic form right now. In prior videos on my local XAMPP Apache PHP server. Period. If you are interested in having a local PHP server, then by all means watch those videos. They'll help you out. Period. I am Lewis Wood. I have 30 years of experience in doing the programming, and I used to use a product called .NET Nuke and do it in C# and VB.NET and ASP.NET, but now I am using WordPress. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please like the video and subscribe to my channel, because this will make it show up for other blind people so they can find this content. This is designed for how to do it as a blind person with a screen reader. I am using JAWS. You can use NVDA, Narrator, or any other screen reader that you choose. Well, let's get started. And this video was originally 1 hour long, and I've broken it up into small parts, like 20 minutes a piece. So the first thing we want to do is let's update our permalinks. I want to change the structure to categories postman. It's the way I like it. So let's go ahead and let's do that. But first, let's make sure I'll show you where we are. I'm going to do insert A, so that it tells me the address of the web page I'm on.
Address is http://localhost/chefblog.dev/wp-admin/.
Yep. See, it says wp-admin/, and you heard chefblog.dev, in there. It goes fast, but like I told you before, press the shift key and the comma to slow it down, shift key or period to speed it up. All right, JKL. We'll do the rewind and stuff. You'll have to turn off your screen navigation keys in order to get those to work. And 0 through 9 are your percentages, 10% each one of them is. So 50% is 5. Okay. All right, let's begin. First things first, what I like to do is I like to press insert F7. First, I make sure I'm at the top of the page.
Dashboard single left pointing angle quotation mark Chef Harry's blog WordPress. Links list dialog. Links list view. Skip to main content. 1 of 90. To move to items, use the arrow keys. Links list. Display.
Now, if I didn't have all the links, like I'm going to do this real quick by going G for general.
G. General. 41 of 90.
Right.
Options dash
but
general.
If it didn't go to general, I would simply go and find the one that says tool menu and then expand it. And that's the one I would do. And expand it, then I have the dashboard. Mine's already expanded. Now, this is the general settings. I'm going to go ahead and go down to the permalinks.
Writing, 42 of 90. Options dash reading, 43 of 90. Discussion, media, 45 of 90. Options dash permalinks, 46 of 90. Options dash permalink.ph.
Permalinks, that's the one I want. So I'm going to press enter on that.
Enter. Permalink settings single left point.
That pulls me up on the permalinks page. Now I'm using JAWS, so I can hit Q to go to the main section.
Wrapping to top, main region.
I'm in the main region, so I know exactly where I am. If you're on NVDA, you'll have to control home and then hit R a couple times, or no, D for landmarks, because they call them landmarks. All right, they're not called regions in NVDA, they're called landmarks. Okay. Now, also narrator calls them landmarks. I think there is this K in order to navigate. All right, so what you do here is I happen to know that there are radio buttons, and in JAWS, I press the letter A to navigate by radio buttons. In NVDA, I believe it's R. Okay. So
plain radio button not checked. 1 of 1.
That's the plain one. And I don't want plain Jane. That's just like, post it there, it's meaningless to the user. This is how it's going to show up in the address bar. So when somebody goes to your website, and let's say I had it up on the internet, it would be chefblog.com / and then I might have it say spicy recipes, you know, or something like that. And then it would have the post, and it would say my fun time making goulash. I don't care. Okay, so here we go. A.
Day and name radio button checked. 1 of 1.
A day and name, that's another way of organizing if you want day and name up there. So, but I don't want that.
Month and name radio button not checked. 1 of 1.
Month and name, if you wanted that. So if you're doing like some type of journal entry type thing or something for the website, that's what you'd want.
Numeric radio button not checked. 1 of 1.
I don't understand this one, but anyway, I'm not doing this.
Post name radio button not checked. 1 of 1.
Post name's not bad, but that basically whatever you create a blog entry and you put a title on it, this would be what it would be, which would be not as clear, but it at least shows what it is.
Custom structure radio button not checked. 1 of 1.
Now I like custom structure, so I'm going to hit space on that one.
Space. Permalink settings single left pointing angle quotation mark Chef Harry's blog WordPress. Radio button checked. Custom structure 1 of 1.
Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and tab to it.
Custom structure. Column 2 row 6. Edit. /% year %/ misspelled month and %/ day %/
Now you hear all that /% and all that stuff. That's how they've got it here for you. And they predefined it as a custom structure. Well, I don't want any of that. So I just did a Control A, everything's highlighted.
Link.
And now I deleted it. So.
Custom structure. Column 2 row 6. Edit. Type in text.
All right. See, it's not there. I'm going to hit the tab key.
List with 10 items. Year left paren the year of the post.
Now see, that's a list. So I'm going to hit the letter I and go through the list items. What I'm going to be looking for is category first. So here we are. I want to go to it.
Month left paren, day left paren, hour left paren, minute left paren, second left paren, post underline I, post name left category left paren, category
There you are. That's the category. That's the one I want. I'm going to press enter.
Enter. http://localhost/chefblog.dev/ p = 100.
Okay. Now I've already got that.
/home %CATEGORY %/
You see, it gave the %/ and that.
Link.
Okay. And that's what it says for that. Now I'm going to do tab and I'm going to go there. Now I'm going to get the post name.
List with 10 items. Year left paren.
Now the post name, I'll just do I'm on the list again. So I'm going to do I.
Month, day, hour, minute, second, post underline I, post name left paren, the sanitized post title left paren, slug right.
There we
Enter.
go.
Edit. /% category %/ misspelled post name %/ http://
Hey, see, so now it will be like that. It'll show the category first. So if you say spicy, then you do a / and then you'll say ghost pepper burritos or something. I don't know. But anyway, that would be what you would have there. Okay. Now that I'm done, this is all I needed to do for the permalinks. I got to go down and I got to save my changes. You have to save it. Don't forget to do that. Otherwise, you don't have anything. I'm going to do a Control End because I happen to know the button is down at the bottom. So I do a Control End. Oops, hold it. Let me get out of that focus mode. Hit Escape.
Escape. Virtual PC cursor.
All right. And now I do Control End.
Version 5.8.1.
See, that's reading from the bottom. Now I'm going to move up and then I'll eventually hit the button that says Save Changes.
Visited link WordPress. Thank you for creating with main region end. Save changes button.
There you go.
Enter. Save changes button. To activate, press enter. Permalink settings single left pointing angle quotation mark Chef Harry's blog WordPress. Category base. Page has 5 regions, 3 headings and 56 links.
Now I did save changes. See if I go up here, go to Q for the main region.
Wrapping to top. Main region.
All right.
Help button collapsed. Heading level 1 permalink settings. Permalink structure updated.
You see, it gives me a little notice and I can dismiss this notice, but the notice it has been saved.
Dismiss this notice button.
And I'll dismiss
Enter.
it.
Main region.
There we
Dismiss
go.
this.
All right. Now, what other things do we want to do? Let's go create some categories. So here we go. I'm going to go here real quick.
Links list dialog. Links list view. Skip to main content. 1 of 56. To move to items, use the arrow keys. Link escape.
I need to go to the top.
Permalink settings single left pointing angle.
Otherwise, I want to go through all the other links that are throughout the page. So I just went back to the top, and now I did it.
Links list dialog. Links list view. Skip to main content. 1 of 56.
Now I'm just going to go to a category by pressing C.
C. Categories. 9 of 56. Edit -tags.php. Taxonomy equals category.
Now I want to go ahead and do an Alt-M and move to this location so I can give you a feel. Because this is a dashboard. These are links in the dashboard. So once you're on the dashboard, you can navigate by using the cursor keys in the dashboard. So I'm going to show you that.
Alt-M. Permalink settings single left point.
Okay, now you're on the dashboard. And this will give you the lay of the land. So here's categories. What's above it?
Visited link at new.
Well, there's an add new. What am I adding new? Is it categories or what?
Visited link all posts.
Nope. It's a post. The add new is for post, actually. I'll be adding a new post.
List of 4 items nesting level 1. Visited as pop-up menu link posts.
See, it says post, and then there's a sub-menu.
List of 4 items nesting level 1. Visited link all posts. Visited link at new. Visited link categories. Link tags.
See, it's got 4 different entries on there.
List in nesting level 1.
See, now I'm out of it. It says level 1.
Link tag. Visited link. Visited list of 4 items nested. Visited as pop-up menu link posts. List in nesting level 1. Visited link updates 2.
Oh, it says I have updates to do. Well, I got to get those too eventually, but let's just stay with the category.
List in nesting level 1. Visited as pop-up menu link posts. List of 4 items nesting level 1. Visited link all posts. Visited link at new. Visited link categories.
Okay, let's do a category. All right.
Enter. Categories. Visited current page link categories. Main region. Form region. Name edit required.
All right. It's got me right at the place I need to be. It's tone and name. It just happens to be there. Normally I go ahead and just do Q and then come down to it, but it just happened to be right on there. So let's do general.
General.
And that's only because I'm familiar that I know where I was.
Main region, form region, slug edit.
And the slug, this is what's going to appear in the address bar when you navigate to this category. So you might have a whole bunch of stuff under general. This is what's going to be there. So here we are. And it's going to appear as
General.
Okay.
Parent category combo box, none.
I'm not doing hierarchical. I'm just going to do
description edit. General space.
General
POSTS.
post. Okay. And then I hit this tab again.
Add new category button. To activate, press enter.
Now I press that and the category gets added.
Enter.
Okay. Now the category's been added. Let's go ahead and I'm going to go back a couple and enter a different one.
Description of parent category, slug edit. Name edit required.
Yeah, I went back to name and I'm going to enter spicy.
SPICY. Slug. SPICE. ECIPS link. SPICY. Parent category combo box, none. Description edit. SPICY space. FOOD
Spicy
space.
food.
TO space. BURN space. YOU.
Spicy food to burn you.
Parent description edit contains text. Spicy food to burn you. Edit.
There it is. And now I hit tab again.
Add new category button. To active, enter.
Okay. Now I know that on the category screen, it has a table. So I'll hit T for table.
Table with 5 columns and 5 rows. Column 1, row 1. Checkbox not checked, select all.
Because I'm not adding anymore, so I just left that section of the screen.
Checkbox not checked, select spicy. Row 2. Name. Link left quote spicy right quote left paren edit right paren link edit left quote spicy right quote vertical bar quick edit left quote. Description. Spicy food to burn you. Column 3. Slug. Spicy. Column 4. Count. Link 0. Column 5. End of row. Slug. Spicy. Column 4. Count. Link 0. Column 5.
You see that column count that says count? That's how many entries currently are using that category.
Slug. Description. Spicy food. Name. Link left quote select general. Link left quote general right quote left paren edit right paren link edit left. Link left quote uncategorized right quote left paren edit right paren link edit left quote.
Already there.
Description. Slug. Uncategorized. Count. Link 1. Column 5.
See, it says there's already one that's uncategorized. That's because when WordPress, when you first install it, it creates a default post. All right. Okay. Let's go back to the top.
Category single left pointing angle quotation mark Chef Harry's blog WordPress.
Now I'm back
Category
up to the very top,
pointing.
and now I'm going to press Insert F7.
Links list dialog. Links list view. Skip to main content.
Okay, I got the link list. Now I'm going to hit C for category. again because I just know where it goes.
C. Categories unavailable. 9 of 76. Edit dash tags. Add new. 8 of 76. All posts. 7 of 76. Edit.php.
I navigated to categories in that linked list, and I just went up to 2 entries up, which says all post. I'm going to click on that now.
Enter. Post single left pointing angle quotation mark Chef Harry's blog WordPress. Page has 4 regions, 3 headings and 71 links. Heading level 1 post. Version 5, 8, 1.
Okay, I'm going to do
Version 5, 8. Version 5, 8. Wrapping to top. Main region.
I hit Q for main region because this is the way it works. Okay, I can do T for table.
Table with 7 columns and 3 rows. Column 1, row 1. Okay. Checkbox.
It says it only has 3 rows, so I know for a fact it ain't got no entries.
Checkbox not checked. Select Hello World. Row 2.
See, Hello World is the first one. That's the one WordPress created.
Checkbox not checked. Select all. Row 3. See, checkbox not checked. Select Hello World. Row 2.
There's nothing there. Okay, so we need to add a new post. So
post single left pointing angle quote.
Is I going back up to the top? Control
post single left pointing angle quote.
And then I do insert F7.
Links list dialog. Links list view.
I'll do categories again.
9 of 71. Edit dash tags.
It's a nice place to locate.
Add new. 8 of 71.
There
post dash new.php.
And that's for adding a new post.
Enter.
There we are. Now I'm going to add a brand new post.
Main region. Editor content region. Add.
Now we're on a blog. It puts you right there at the title. It wants you to enter a title right away. Okay.
C H E F space
Chef
H A R R Y apostrophe space J O U R N A L space
journal
B E G I N S.
All right. And now I hit the tab key.
Empty block semicolon start writing or type / to choose a block group.
Okay. The default typically is paragraph, so I'll just go ahead. Normally, I would go ahead and enter this in Notepad and then transfer it over, or in Markdown or in Microsoft Word or something, and then paste it into here. But right now, I'm just going to type something and we'll see how it goes. Okay, I'm going to hit space to make sure I'm inside of it.
Space.
Get it, make sure I'm inside the block.
Space.
Okay. Now I'm going to go and I hit space and then I hit the delete so I get rid of the space. Just want to make sure that I'm in the block. All right. Now what I'm going to do is start typing. And here we go.
N-O-W space T-H-E space J-O-U-R-N-E-Y space
journey
T-O space T-H-E space E-N-D-S space O-F space T-H-E space E-A-R-T-H space B-E-G-I-N period space F-O-L-L-O-W space A-L-O-N-G space W-I-T-H space M-E space A-N-D space Y-O-U space W-I-L-L space E-N-J-O-Y space R-E-C-I-P-E-S space F-R-O-M space E-V-E-R-Y-W-H-E-R-E period space I space W-I-L-L space T-R-A-I-N space A-N-D space L-E-A-R-N space R-E-C-I-P-E-S comma space Y-O-U space A-R-E space G-O-I-N space A-L-L-O-N-G space T-T-F-O-R space T-A-E space J-O-U-R-N-E-Y period.
Okay, sounds like a neat little post. Okay, now what I do is I hit the tab key.
Add new post single left pointing angle quotation mark Chef Harry's blog WordPress. Now the journey to the ends of the earth begin. Follow along with me and you will enjoy recipes from everywhere. I will train and learn recipes. You are going along for the journey. Edit.
See, it read it back to me what I just typed in there, which is good. All right, now what I do in order to navigate around, because if I hit the tab key again, you'll see what's going to happen.
Editor settings region, list with 2 items, post button, to activate press enter.
You see, I got editor settings.
Block left paren selected right paren button, to activate press enter.
See, it's on the block. So that means all the settings on the menu here are going to be for the block that's currently highlighted, which is the one I just left.
Close settings button, to activate press enter. Typography heading level 2 button expanded, to activate press enter.
See, typography.
Font size group, font size button menu.
See, I can change
custom
font size.
Select unit combo box,
stuff.
PX.
Okay. Well, I'm going to go back and change it from block.
Custom font typography heading level 2, close settings button, to act list with 2 items. Block left paren selected right paren button, to activate press enter.
I hit the shift tab to get back to the block.
Post button.
Now it says post.
Block left paren selected right paren post button.
I'm going to click on post because I want to enter a category for this post.
Enter. Post left paren selected right paren button, to activate press enter.
Okay. Now, since I'm on post mode now. Now the category list will hopefully be listed. If it's not, I'm going to have to expand the category list. Okay. Now I've got my quick keys on, I believe. So I'll just press the letter X, which means checkbox with JAWS.
General checkbox not checked.
There it is. General. That's a general category. Here, I'll go down and you'll hear the other ones.
Spicy checkbox not checked. Uncategorized checkbox not checked. Spicy checkbox. General checkbox not checked.
Yep. So general is the one I want.
Space. Categories group. General checkbox checked. To clear checkmark,
I've
press
already
space bar.
checked it. Okay, I'm done there. Now, if I wanted to enter a tag, all I got to do is press the letter H for heading, and it will take me down to the tag section.
Tags heading level 2 button expanded.
Yep, see?
Add new tag.
Yeah, I can add a new tag dynamically, start typing it in.
Edit combo. Separate with commas or the enter key.
Yep.
Heading level 2 button collapsed featured image.
And you can put an image here if you want.
Heading level 2 button expanded excerpt.
Now, if I wanted to put a short excerpt for some post, you might want to put a short excerpt. And otherwise, it'll just trim and just grab the first so many words. Maybe you wanted a custom excerpt. You could put that what you want here for this post, for whatever post you make. And it shows up on the blogs when it lists all the posts there for a quick view of it. Okay. All right. I happen to know that I'm not going to keep on just going around there. I just want to get to where I want to go. So let's just do this. I'm going to turn off the quick nav keys.
Use virtual PC cursor off.
Now I'm going to use the block editor keys. Now, if you wanted to see the block editor keys, you just press Alt-Shift-H. Alt-Shift-H is for help. And it will give you the quick keys. You'll have to turn the quick nav keys back on again. JAWS key to navigate to help, which is what you got to do for any application in your browser for help. And then when you exit the help with the escape key, you'll just turn your quick nav keys back off again, because now I'm going to use one of the keys. I can either press Alt F10, which will take me to the nearest toolbar, or I can press Alt Fn, which will take me to the next toolbar.
Alt-Shift-N, editor top bar.
It took me to the editor top bar. I'm going to just go round robin and just show you what's all here.
Alt-Shift-N, editor content.
Okay, that's the content area where I've been typing in.
Alt-Shift-N, editor settings.
There's the settings area, which I was also in.
Alt-Shift-N, editor publish.
There's the publish region area, which I could publish.
Alt-Shift-N, editor footer.
There's the footer area, which you can play in. Okay.
Alt-Shift-N, editor top bar.
Now I'm back to the top bar. All right. And normally what I like to do is I just sometimes just go to the top bar and I just hit the tab key from there.
View posts link. Document tools 3 state button. Save draft button.
So I can save it as a draft. Now let's say you want somebody with eyesight to review your post and make sure that it looks good and it's in a good format and it's properly formatted and everything. Then you would save it as a draft and they can go back and review it later on. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the tab key again.
Preview button menu.
There's a preview button. Now, if I wanted to see what this looks like on a laptop or an iPad or an iPhone or smartphone or a desktop, it shows what this web page, this blog entry will look like on all those different types of sizes of the web browser. So,
space, menu, desktop, 1 of 3, to move through item, tablet, 2 of 3, mobile, 3 of 3, preview in new tab, 1 of 1, mobile, tablet, desktop, 1, preview in new tab, desktop,
I would put a check
3.
mark by which one I want to preview. And you're probably saying, oh, but I can't see. How am I going to see? Well, anyway, you just turn mouse echo on and drag your mouse over it. Or if you got an actual touch screen, then use the touch screen. Okay, it'll open up in another tab, so this tab will still be here. Okay. But anyway, I'm going to hit escape because I'm not going to bother previewing. I just told you about it.
Escape, leaving menus, editor top bar region, preview button menu.
Now I'm going to hit the tab key again.
Publish button collapsed.
Now there's the publish button. Okay, when I hit the publish button, it's going to show me the section for the publish.
Space, editor publish region, publish button.
Now usually I just press the publish right now and start publishing. But here we go.
Cancel button. Visibility : public button collapsed. Publish : immediately button collapsed. Suggestion : add tags button collapsed. Always show pre-publish checks checkbox. Suggest publish : immediately button collapsed.
See, I can set a time if I wanted to, or a date when I want to publish.
Suggestion : add tags button collapsed. Always show pre-publish checks checkbox checked. Publish button.
Okay, I'm back to the publish button. I'm going to press enter on that.
Enter. Chef Harry's journal begins link. Post published.
It said post published. Okay, now I've got it. All right, I'm going to turn the quick nav keys back on.
Use virtual PC cursor on.
There we go. And now I'm going to hit Alt back arrow because I want to go back to the admin dashboard.
Back.
This is a good place to cut the video, so it's relatively short. Permalinks in the Gutenberg and the cursory was this video. And now we'll go into the next videos and you will see more configuration where I do more with the dashboard and more configurations with the website. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click like, subscribe to my channel on YouTube. It helps other blind podcasters find this material. Thank you.